Alright, what's up there, YouTubers? This is Not a Mechanic Mike. I'm going to show you how to fill a bullseye chip in the windshield using this $10 Rain-X repair kit. Here's the bullseye. Where are we at here? There we go. Take a look from the inside. Nice. Nice bullseye there. We're going to use the Rain-X chip repair to fill that sucker up. Alright, we got the fixture on there. We're lined up on the bullseye. Now we're going to put the Rain-X epoxy in there. And we're going to force it in with the plunger and see if we can't fill that bullseye. Good. Look from the inside. Very decent. Not 100%, but it's pretty damn good. I'll leave that on there for about 10 minutes, let the resin start to set up, and then we'll pull it off and finish it up with a thin piece of plastic that you put more epoxy resin down, lay the plastic down, let that dry in the sunlight. Once that's dry, then you'll take the razor blade and take off the excess on top of the windshield and you'll be done. Damn, that looks a lot better already. Excellent. Alright, so now we backed up and we left the plunger in place. And we put the bullseye in the sun, the windshield in the sun for about 10 minutes. The UV lights actually cure the resin. It has to be direct sunlight. Once we're done there, now we just gotta towel underneath it there. If there's any resin left in the plunger, it's going to come out the bottom. We'll go ahead and back that out. Looks like there's a little bit coming out there. See it there running down. Take your rag and just clean that up. You're going to remove your plunger. Get that out of the way. And wipe clean very gently right where the bullseye is. Alright, now we're going to finish. Show you how to do that. Inside of the Rain-X package, they give you these clear piece of film here. The objective at this point is to seal the outside. How we do that is take your film and you're going to lay it right above the bullseye. And then we're going to wet it above the bullseye. Once you've got your wet down, go ahead and lay the bullseye in, and then slowly work out any air bubbles that you might have in there all the way around. And if you got excess running out the side, you can just clean that up with a towel. Looks like I got most of the little air bubbles that were on the edge. Now, we just want to clean up that little drizzle, because that's going to have to get scraped off when we're done. Now, once you've got that down, now you're going to want to back your windshield right back out into the sunlight and let this cure with direct sunlight for about 10 more minutes. We'll come back after that. Alright, we're inside the truck now. We've got the bullseye in the sunlight with the film on there, letting that resin cure. Give it about 10 minutes to cure. Once the resin is cured, we're going to peel that off and use a razor blade to scrape off the excess resin on there, and the bullseye will be completely fixed. It will not spread. Alright, so along with the Rain-X film, they also give you a razor blade. And this thing usually lasts maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3 chips if you're lucky. It's always good to use a brand new razor. It makes this part a lot easier. So now we have the film on here. We're going to go ahead and take that off. We've let it sit out there for a good 10 minutes of drying, and it comes right off nice and easy. Now we're just going to take the blade at a little bit of an angle. Go ahead and take off all that extra resin. Excellent. Good. Not bad. Not perfect, but it definitely won't spread. And that's what we're looking for. Save ourselves having to get a new windshield. There you go. $10. $10 bullseye repair using that Rain-X chip repair. And take a look, see what it looks like from the inside. And there it is. Hard time focusing on it now because it's so barely see it. Definitely looks a lot better than it did, that's for sure. There you go. Perfect. And that's a chip repair. This is not a Real Mechanic Mike. Signing out. Godspeed.